In this video, you will learn multiple tools to draw the floor plan. For convenience, I have the complete floor plan next to the empty canvas. For a new floor plan, use a polyline to draw inner line, wall line, and then did offset for the thickness of the wall, and use offset from the line to set the placement for the windows. Each time I use offset, punch spacebar to end the command and restart the command, the sign command used previously. Now use wall layer line to trace the window, the side limit up the window. And the door and last window, and then remove all these cyan lines. And we need to trim the openings and use a rectangle to create windows. And use object snap. Make sure you have midpoint selected, so when you draw a line, the line can start from midpoint to put the midpoint. And actually this one is door opening. Okay. And then need to draw a wall for the bathroom, 5 feet, and then straight out. So you can also turn on the select the perpendicular selection and the object snap tool. And for the door, we start from midpoint of one wall and a circle, and then door thickness. Make sure you press punch F8 to turn on and off the offset. So that's what I did. And trim, push that up, so move it and trim. Trim, trim, trim. Okay, how about sliding door? It doesn't have to be so accurate. And door width is 28 inches. Could be 30 inches, but I made it 28 inches. Now let's add the door. Okay, about 1 foot. I'm sorry, I'm sleepy. 1 inch. And then we need a space for the door. This is a pocket door. Okay, so both sides use offset 1 inch up and down, and then we will to match layer tool. Oops, wrong order. Match current, sometimes it works, but well, didn't work this time. I forgot how to do. Alright, so select the cyan layer, and then target destination layer, so it worked. Looks like the line is not straight. See? So what I'm going to do, well, I'm going to turn on orthogonal to F8 to draw straight line and then trim. My daughter is laughing. She's watching something. Okay, now let's add furniture symbol. Insert, and go to block from library. You can download those blocks necessary, used for this exercise in our shared OneDrive. She doesn't know I'm recording. Okay, too big, so you need to change the scale. I make it 0.05. Actually, it's pretty close to the actual queen size. It's 60 inches, 8 inches. Actually a little too big. So here, this is a very useful trick. You can use ratio, or you can also use reference scale. So if you know exact scale, target size of this object, then this is how you can change the scale. Select the target object and then base point, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this is exactly queen bed size. Let's rotate the other way around. Okay, move it to the right place. Now they're in one group. We will need to explode it so that you can fit in the space. I don't know where explode located, so just X enter and then select the object to explode, and I remove one side of nightstand, and you can change the other one to make it a little bit narrower. Now let's add one more symbol, toilet, before we add the pattern, tile pattern for the bathroom. So you will find the toilet. Oops, it's already there. Drag and drop. Where is it? Drag and drop. Okay, it's far away. Zoom, Z enter, A enter to see everything in this drawing canvas. Let's try again. 0.05. It's close. You can check if this is close to toilet size, but close enough. Alright, so you've got hatch, and there is ANSI 37, is it? And change, rotate 45 and 500 scale, and this is what you get. Okay, using hatch, this time solid, to fill the wall. The rest you can pretty much finish yourself. That's it.